Good morning po. I'm Mr. Gerald Bautista, the founder of Developing Solutions Corporation. And dito po kami to partner with Testa. We are a software company that specializes on the making of apps, particularly on the native languages. And ang concept po namin right now is to introduce the graduates into the digital space. So, ang goal po nito is, tumapansin po ninyo, kung ngayon, nabubook ang taxi through your phone, ang pagkain, ganun din, pwede ka rin magpa-deliver, this time, pwede ka naman mag-book ng serbisyo. So, with our serbisyo, our brands, dito, our Skyscraper graduates can go into the digital space ng libre. At ang maganda po nun, dito, masasara po natin yung gap between the enrollment and doon po sa earning opportunities nila. Ang tendency po nito, mas mabilis silang matubok, magkakaroon kagad sila ng income, therefore they can provide for their families. And who knows, baka hindi na sila pumunta ng abroad, dito na lang sila sa Pilipinas. Ang maganda din po dito, dahil ito pong technology na to is part of our advocacy, ito po ay aming alay sa Pinoy. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.